The 2027 Toyota Tundra isn't just a refresh. It's Toyota's most aggressive full-size truck yet. From the factory-built TRD Hammer that goes head-to-head with the Raptor, to the overlanding-ready Trailhunter and an updated safety suite, these 6 updates could make the Tundra the smartest buy in the segment. 6. The refresh nobody expected. Let's start with the outside, because looks matter more than anyone in the truck world likes to admit. Pull a current Tundra next to a freshened F-150 or the Ram 1500, and there's a visual gap that's hard to ignore. Toyota knows it. For 2027, the Tundra hits its 5th model year, and that triggers a full mid-cycle refresh. We're not talking about a new badge and a different color option. New lighting signatures, a reshaped grille, revised front bumper geometry, and rear-end updates that tie the whole look together. This is Toyota bringing the Tundra in line with the same design direction that already modernized the Tacoma and Sequoia. The truck is finally getting the exterior it always deserved. But here's the thing. A sharper face doesn't win segment wars. What Toyota is hiding behind that new grille just might. 5. Toyota's Raptor fighter. For years, the TRD Pro was Toyota's off-road flagship, and for years it got overshadowed. The Ford F-150 Raptor rewrote the rules. Then, the 720 horsepower Raptor R showed up. Then, Ram dropped the 777 horsepower TRX. Next to those, the TRD Pro looked like a trail toy at a desert race. The TRD Hammer is Toyota's answer, and it's a real one. Spy photos already confirm what's coming. Wider fenders front and rear, steel bumpers at both ends. 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain, KO3 tires, the same spec as the Raptor. The front lower control arms are noticeably beefier, long travel suspension, a panhard rod connecting to a rear solid axle for lateral stability at speed. Toyota has already trademarked the name. This isn't a rumor. A factory-built high-speed desert runner wearing a Toyota badge is almost here. And if you've been waiting for Toyota to get serious about performance off-road, this is that moment. But not every off-road buyer wants to run flat out across the Baja. Some want to disappear into the wilderness for a week. Toyota has something for them too. 4. Built for the backcountry. If the TRD Hammer is a racetrack, the Trailhunter is a base camp. This trim is built around one idea: overlanding without the painful aftermarket bill. Think about what it actually costs to build a truck for serious backcountry travel. Upgraded suspension, skid plate protection, a roof rack, recovery bumpers, auxiliary lighting. Each piece is ordered separately, installed separately, and priced separately. By the time your rig is genuinely ready for extended off-grid travel, you're easily looking at $10,000 to $20,000 in aftermarket spending on top of the purchase price. Toyota already proved this concept on the Tacoma Trailhunter. Now, it's coming to the full-size segment. Heavy-duty skid plates, underbody armor, roof rack infrastructure, and recovery-oriented bumpers from the factory. A suspension tuned for loaded travel across variable terrain, raised ride height, all-terrain tires standard. For the buyer who's been pricing out a custom build for the last 6 months, the Trailhunter reframes the entire decision. Now, let's talk about something the Tundra has actually been winning quietly for years. On every paved mile between the trailheads. 3. Superior ride quality. Rear suspension is not a glamorous topic, but it is the one engineering decision that shapes how a truck feels on every single drive you ever take. The F-150 and Chevy Silverado 1500 still use leaf springs at the rear. That setup handles loads fine, but drive either one with an empty bed across rough pavement and you'll feel it. The rear hops transmits every bump into the cabin, and over a long commute, it just wears on you. The Tundra has used coil spring rear suspension since its 2022 debut. The result? A settled, composed ride, whether the bed is empty or loaded. Less jarring over rough surfaces. More relaxed on highway miles. The Ram 1500 built its ride quality reputation the same way. And the Tundra belongs in that same conversation. It always has. But even a great suspension doesn't matter if you can't trust the engine underneath it. And that's where the Tundra's story gets complicated. 2. Powertrain improvements. Here's the honest version of events. The early production years of the Tundra's twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 had real problems. Engine knocking, rough running, and in some cases, complete engine failure at low mileage. Toyota issued a recall covering over 100,000 engines, full replacements. The production process was overhauled. That chapter is closed. If you were watching all of that unfold, hesitation made sense. Spending $55,000 or more on a truck that might need a new engine before 50,000 miles isn't a bet most people want to take. But the 2027 Tundra isn't that truck anymore. The standard V6 delivers 389 horsepower and now carries a reliability record worth trusting. The hybrid variant brings combined output to 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, numbers that beat several naturally aspirated V8 competitors. And that torque arrives much earlier in the rev range, which means real-world pulling from a dead stop feels stronger, not just on paper. The engine concern is gone, but there's one more update, and it's the one you'll notice every single day behind the wheel. 1. Updated safety systems. Toyota. Safety Sense has been standard on the Tundra since launch. Pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise, lane departure alert, automatic high beams. It's all been there. The problem is, the outgoing system had noticeable limitations. Adaptive cruise that surged and braked too aggressively. Lane keeping that lost the plot on faded rural markings. Detection that lagged at higher speeds. Over a long highway drive, those quirks don't stay minor. They accumulate into real fatigue. The 2027 update addresses each one. Adaptive cruise gains a smoother, more natural engagement profile across varying speeds. Lane keeping now reads road edges, not just painted lines, which is a meaningful improvement if you've ever driven rural highways where the markings have been worn away. Upgraded radar and camera hardware expands the detection field in low-light conditions. And a new proactive driving assist system adds gentle braking and steering support when approaching curves or unexpected hazards. For a truck pulling double duty as a daily commuter and a long-distance hauler, this isn't just a spec bump. You feel it on every drive. But Toyota isn't the only brand making a move. The 2027 Chevy Silverado is getting a full redesign with next-generation V8 engines and a completely rethought interior. That one could flip the conversation all over again. Watch that breakdown next.